I'm very flustered right now. Okay, I have to film this video really quickly. Hi guys, I'm Nicole Sicat and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very exciting video. Am I even speaking English? Oh my goodness. I will be unboxing an iPhone 8 Plus. So if you've seen my Christmas / wish list for this year, I asked for an iPhone 8 Plus. I got it. So I have a 64GB 8 Plus, and I got a gold one. There we go.
And I've already opened the packaging because I needed to check it in the shop.
And then you obviously get that stuff. I'm already setting it up at the moment because your girl wants to use it already. This is what it looks like. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's like a very champagne-y gold, and you can see it on the. Oh, it's so nice, guys.
This is gonna be a very quick unboxing video because I'm in a rush.
It comes obviously with the charging thingy and with the earphones, and this does not have a headphone jack, and the phone comes with the headphone jack thing, like a little extension thing that you can plug into the lightning port, and you put in your earphones to this. And then obviously the last thing in here is the cable, the charging cable. Okay, I'm gonna test out the quality of the stuff. Guys, I'm so happy right now. I'm so happy right now. I can't wait to like test out the camera and stuff.
This is the quality of the iPhone 8 Plus, and I'm vlogging where my brother looks ugly.
I'm so happy, and it's so pretty. Should I take off the plastic? Okay, let's take off the plastic. This is the best part. I took off the plastic already for the box, so that wasn't filmed. Hello, taking off the plastic. It's so nice. Oh my goodness. Okay.
Oh my gosh, it's gloss. It feels so nice, guys. If you could see how I'm standing, it's really gross. Thank you, Mom. I love you so much. Hey, Siri. Oh.
Hello? Hello? I did also, but I didn't try it because I put my phone back in. I put my phone in the car. You phoned me just in time. I just set up my phone. And you're in my video, guys. It's Chantel.
Okay, I'm pretty Christmas shopping.
Oh, me too. Okay, I'm just gonna get the same case as Sonali.
Alright,
Yeah.
okay.
Alright, bye. I'll see you tomorrow night. Bye.
I can't wait to test it because it has two. I feel like this whole video is just gonna be a big like just freaking out the whole time. I don't know what to do in unboxings. Is that what you do? Is that all you do? So like I said, I chose gold, and it's like a champagne color. There's the dual cameras, and then obviously the box is like a very champagne color. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it against my purple shirt? Can I get a hoya? Hoya! I'm gonna end the video here. If there's more, I will obviously insert it on this. Nice. Okay, thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to leave down any video suggestions in the comment box below. And don't forget to subscribe. Guys, I'm really trying to reach 100 subscribers by the end of the year, or by my birthday, which is the 3rd of January next year, 2018. I'm turning 19 years old. Yeah, okay. I guess that's it. Bye.